Okay, here's my next tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to open a master padlock when it's kind of locked. You see the half the shackle sticking. This one part's locked. So here's what I'm going to do as I practice. This part broken. Now more is broken. Just gonna shut the door here. So more is broken. Here's what happened. See, here's what happened. So it was kind of tough. So where it was tough, and then now so you practice. This is so it's too late to see all these parts. So that part was damaged, and this part is now damaged. And if I use the key, which is up here, and I'm just gonna show you